before I pack up my pump to go away forever, I wanted to give you guys a 1 year later review. I've been using this pump about 14 months now, and I have thoughts. So this is the pump we're going to be talking about. It is the Ameda Mya, and in summary, I love it. So first I just want to talk about what all came in the box when I first got it. So I actually have a clip that I'll put over here as I'm talking of what came in the box, but essentially you get the pump motor, you get the tubing, you get this part that comes in 3 different pieces, so 2 plastic pieces and a silicone piece. You get the bottle, I forgot what this is called, this piece, and the flange. And you also get the power cord, which I don't know what my power cord is right now. Get the power cord, and then bottle, lid, and cap piece like that. So that's essentially what you get in the box, along with the instruction manual. So next I want to talk about how do you assemble the pump. So I always start with these 3 pieces. So the smaller plastic piece attaches to the silicone piece. It has grooves around it where you can just snap it in, and then the larger plastic piece just goes on top of that, and you connect it to the tubing. You connect the smaller, let's see if we can get it in focus. You connect the smaller tubing, the smaller piece into the tubing, and the opposite side goes into the flange like so. And of course you just attach this piece here and then screw on the bottom, and that is how you get it all assembled. So now I want to talk about how quiet this pump is. So I was actually very surprised. I've used quite a few pumps, and this has definitely been the quietest one I've ever used. So I'm just gonna do a little sound test here. I'm talking I guess normally. I'm gonna turn it on. Here's my voice. Here's it on in massage mode at level 5. And here's it in expression mode. I'm gonna turn it all the way up to level 10. And then I'm gonna turn it back down to a level that I would actually use. I usually use it at about a 6. So here's it at level 6. I feel like it's pretty quiet. And then here it is at level 1. So it is a very quiet pump. So my main things when I'm looking for a pump is how much are the extra parts that you're gonna need to go with it. I'm not the type to wash bottles every single day, so I need multiple parts so I can go a few days without washing. So I did find third-party parts on Amazon, and I'll have them linked below, so if you need to find those. But I wanted to talk about different bottles that you can connect to the pump. So I think let me figure out how much these are. Hold one sec. So for just 2 of these bottles, it is $14.99, and I feel like that is quite expensive for just 2 bottles. So I found that the Advent bottles will work with the attachment, and also there's a Parents' Choice wide neck bottles also. If I have a picture, I will insert it here also. Now, the last thing I want to talk about is why I love this pump so much. So I was able to put this pump into a cardigan, like have it into a cardigan that had a pocket, put my bra, the pumping bra on, have 2 shirts on, and essentially do anything that I needed to do without being stuck to a wall. And so I think that was the best part for me. Also, there was a point where Miss Aubrey was in the hospital for a few days, and I was able to pump for her because she was not nursing. I was able to pump for her right by her bedside and not leave, and like just have the pump like in the crib thing with her and just sit right there and pump with her. And so I think that was so special to me and so amazing. I'm so glad that they are making more portable pumps and just making it easier for us moms who are on the go. So if you have any questions about this pump, please let me know. I'm happy to help. But yeah, that's my little spiel about my Ameda Mya. I was about to say Ameda Mya Pro. It's not the Pro. But thank you for watching. If you have any questions, let me know. Bye.